Please subscribe.
When Mercedes first introduced the CLS for the 2006 model year, we thought it was one of the best-looking cars Mercedes had ever built. The second-generation CLS showed up for 2012 with a more controversial design that reinvigorated sagging sales. Now, for 2019, Mercedes has launched a new CLS. But how does it compare to the car it replaces? Up front, Mercedes has given the CLS a new grille and air vents that wouldn't look out of place on the rest of its current lineup. The headlights, meanwhile, get their own design. At the moment, they help the CLS stand out, but considering how similar they look to the A-Class prototypes we've been seeing running around, that may not be the case for long. Still, the front end of the new CLS is a lot cleaner and less busy than before. Inside, the biggest change is in the backseat. After more than 10 years as a four-seater, the CLS now offers seating for 5. If you're familiar with the current E-Class, you won't find many surprises in the new CLS. But considering how stylish and luxurious the current E-Class is, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Compared to the previous version, the new CLS interior is much cleaner, with fewer buttons cluttering the dash. Pricing has yet to be announced, but the 2019 CLS is expected to arrive in US dealers sometime next fall. It will come in both rear and all-wheel drive configurations, first as the CLS 450 and later in AMG-tuned CLS 53 form.